Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install an adjustable shower rail with an adjustable top wall holder. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. First of all, here's an overview of the supplied parts, and of course the tools needed, such as a 6mm masonry drill and a Phillips screwdriver. You have to have a clear idea of where exactly you would like to install the rail. This could depend on, for example, room conditions or body size. The upper wall holder is height adjustable, so that you can use any drill holes that might already be there. Once you've picked a good spot, you can mark it with a piece of tape and indicate where the upper drill hole will go. If you need to drill, you should use a masonry drill. If you drill into tiles, use a drill without impact. Then insert the supplied wall plugs. Next, attach the upper wall holder using the supplied screw. Then attach the bottom wall holder to the shower rail. The small pin must engage in the hole of the rail. Now slide the rail into the top holder from below. Use the spirit level to align the rail and mark the lower drill hole. Drill the hole and insert another wall plug. Now put the slider on the bar. With the slider, you can adjust the height and angle of the hand shower. Screw the bar to the wall. Now to the chrome trims. Simply push these over the plastic holders from the front. Attach the hand shower to the hose and insert it. Done! That was easy, wasn't it?